Happy Sunday, y'all. So today I'm making a banana cake that I had made. I had shown the completed picture. I didn't get a chance to show the inside or anything. So here, what I've done so far, I mixed two sticks of butter, a cup of granulated sugar, a half cup of pack brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil. I mixed that to change, and then I added the two. They said to add 2 more tablespoons of oil. Now it says, and I'll share the recipe. It says, and then you start adding your eggs one at a time. And you want to mix, blend it in 1 egg at a time. There's our last egg. Now you add your vanilla and your 1.5 cups of mashed bananas that have been mixed with lemon juice. I take the mix your flour and buttermilk in 3 separate batches, beginning and ending with the flour mixture. So, I'm going to put in some flour. That's 3 cups of flour, and it's 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Uh-oh, I'm making a mess here. That's 1 batch. Now with my mixer, how I have to do it is like this. And then you pick it up, the mix up properly, blend everything around. And it's going to be kind of thick. That's what it looks like. So how I do mine, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. And the layers are kind of thick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can tell this one in the back is a little bit thinner than the other one. And you're just gonna put it around there. You can see the pieces of banana in it. Now some people measure theirs out and all that. I don't do all that. Now this one in the back look a little heavier though. But maybe it's not. Alright, so we're going to bake this for 45 to 50 minutes on 325. And we'll be back.